Ready, go.
Yep. Make sure you smile.
Middle.
Yeah.
Another pallet, go on the back end.
Wow. What you doing, mate? now you control the weather, huh?
Good job I've got waterproof pants on.
Yeah. Terrible. Terrible. How many?
One.
Only one?
Yeah.
The one underneath, innit?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Oh, it's the one underneath.
Wow. Can't believe, mate.
About 4 boxes then.
Oh, Phil! Jack! How you doing, mate? Where is my drink?
He's got one.
Ah, no drink for Rob.
Delivery from Crew. Box, there'll be a box at the back. See the view. There'll be a crate at the bottom. Got the crates. Right. Right. No, box at the bottom.
Those straps are a pain in the ass, mate, honestly.
I know.
I will need more straps,
That's
mate.
why there's some of them on.
I will need more straps.
You can take them off.
Yeah, but they're not the same.
Yeah, yeah.
No, they got this thing, you see? So I cannot use them.
Yeah, you can.
How?
You can take them off and then turn it into a normal strap.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
okay.
when I tie them up, it's this, so it doesn't go. You see?
No,
No?
not long enough.
No, doesn't. No, not the length of it. The width of it will not go. So I just need normal one. I just need 2 more straps, or maybe one. It's only this pallet.
Yeah.
So maybe just one strap.
One.
One on that, one on here.
Yeah.
It will stay one on that.
Yeah.
How?
Lighter than that.
So one in the middle of it, huh?
Yeah, I would.
Okay, mate. So
Wait.
that goes first to Warrington,
Yeah.
and this to Birmingham,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Yeah. There's quite well. There's about 5 boxes for the back end.
Yeah. Okay, mate. That will do.
And I'll fix them out now.
What do I have to collect from Birmingham?
Full load.
Cladding as well?
Yeah, there's one pallet of cladding and a full load of furniture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll stick something in that hole.
Yeah. So now, what I'm gonna do is just secure this
I
pallet.
think it's CH46. It's in the world, mate. 4 boxes.
It seems like I need only one strap. Look where who is here? Phil.
You
Phil.
only need one strap there, mate.
Phil the beer man.
You only need one strap.
No, I can't give you.
What?
I can't give you the straps. I need it.
You only need one strap here.
I need it.
CH49 it is, there's 4 boxes.
You want to steal my strap, huh? Fucking hell. I only got 2 straps and he wants to take. Cheeky, innit? Now I'm putting the strap. So this is for Orrington, the other pallet is for Birmingham. So it's gonna be a late finish today again. Again, what's happened with Europe? Why you finish so late, mate? So in this one, I won't need the plastic corners because those wooden things are just the cover for what is inside. So I'm allowed to do it like that. That will be alright. This cricket is shit. That will be alright, it's not going anywhere. Just to move this pallet a little bit here. Because I need to put the strap in the middle, so the hook is here, so I don't want to open the side curtain again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Can you move it a little bit here?
Yeah. Give me 1 sec. Just one
Because you see the hook is here, and it will secure only here. You got a lot of strength.
It wears out.
do. You know what to do?
To move it a little bit here. I want you to do me a coffee.
What?
I told you on the live stream video to come and have a beer. You know where I live?
You look dead moody on your live stream.
Huh?
You look moody.
Moody? No. The people are, you know, so I have to stick with the people because I would have told English, but they don't know it.
Q&A. With Robert Martin.
What?
Copy Kurt, mate. How far over there?
I'll tell you.
There.
That should do.
What's your toes?
I need a pedicure anyway. Yeah, mate, perfect.
There you go, mate.
More than that. Warrington with that, and this for Birmingham.
Right, Birmingham.
You want to come with me? That's it. You're gonna get bored, eh? That's it, man. Phil, I need 2 plastic corners. Phil, can you solve me up?
What do you want?
2 plastic corners.
Yeah, give me 2 seconds.
Yeah. Because I can put the strap like this, but it will damage everything. You know? Now we got here, Phil, come on man, you're a professional.
What else? What else? What?
transfer somebody to do.
Craig,
Yeah.
can I have 2 plastic corners, please? Because otherwise the cladding will be fucked, mate. Look at this, professional. Professional. You got it? Here's that.
One more.
I need a postcode for that. Is that in earlier?
I've got the I've got the note upstairs for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, mate. Ballerina in action. Come on, Phil, one more. Show us that you're the best. All class, all class. He done a great job. Look, precision. Precision, mate. Little bit more left, your left.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Perfect. Thank you, Phil.
Alright, have a nice day.
Yeah. Give us a horn, yeah? Beep beep. Ah. The stuff ain't going anywhere.